Okay, we're going to be teaching you how to make paper airplanes in case you don't know because you're stupid. Like this. Yeah, like this. Like these. I love this song. Alright, so
I have paper.
You're going to fold it not the hamburger way, like the fat way. Not like the hamburger way, like the fat way. Hold on. Alright, not like the hamburger way, like the fat way, but the skinny way that they call the hot dog way. Then you're going to make the nice crease look like this. And then you're going to open it back up. You're going to take whichever two corners, one of these, you're going to fold it over into the crease like that. And then you're going to take this corner.
Do the same thing. So,
yeah, do the same thing onto the other corner. Like, so it looks like that.
down.
Then you fold the triangle down. So it kind of looks like a little envelope. Alright, so now
You take the corners.
yeah, you take the corners of the little envelope and fold them into your crease.
And then to the other.
And then to the other side. And it doesn't matter if it's even or not.
Then you take that little flap in the corner.
This little flap right in the middle, like corner, and you're gonna fold it up so that it looks like that. So that it looks like this. And don't tape or glue anything until you're like completely done with the airplane.
And then make sure this little point thing is facing up. And you're gonna fold it in